Independent TD Catherine Connolly has announced she is running to be Ireland's next president. But who exactly is the politician?
It's an important day for me, and I am confirming that I'm standing for the presidency of Ireland. And
The Galway West TD was a Labour councillor but left the party in 2006. She said it had lost its soul after she failed to get on its general election ticket as a running mate for Michael D. Higgins, who of course will go on to become president. In the last Dáil, she was elected as Last Ceann Comhairle in a surprise vote which defeated the coalition's preferred candidate. Her politics align with that of People Before Profit, as well as former TDs Tony Gregory and Maureen O'Sullivan. She was a supporter of the repeal campaign during the referendum to repeal the 8th Amendment in 2018, and she says she's anti-war. She also aligns herself with controversial former MEPs Claire Daly and Mick Wallace, who have been criticised for their stance on Russia. Catherine Connolly is a very vocal campaigner for Palestine and is a critic of NATO and Israel.
it's time we called for an absolute ceasefire led in the UN and make our words mean something and call out the narrative for what it is. And the narrative is Israel is a rogue state. It is not a democratic state.
So far, the Social Democrats and People Before Profit have backed her in the presidential campaign. For more on Catherine's politics and some of her political beliefs, you can follow this story on the Irish Independent.